So here's the way things look with the demolition finished. This is, notice, about 2 feet has been removed from all the wall spaces. Not all of them, there's actually a couple where they knew things were okay. So like the panel on the other side of this wall has been left, but they've removed this whole side here. There's nothing there to mess with. You can see they removed everything behind there, and everything all along there. And in here they took the whole bookshelf off the wall. And everything under that area. This wall is covered. You can see all of our stuff from this area has been stored into here to get it out of the way. And here, this whole area had been paneled, but they've taken all that out, including the ceiling, because the panels went all the way up to there. So they had to take the ceiling out. And this bookcase has been moved away from the wall. Bathroom sink has been pulled out, but I think they found the situation was actually pretty good under there. That board is sticking there. It's actually sticking under the tub, which doesn't seem really a good idea. And notice there's some rot here in the very corner. They're going to replace that. This was one of the corners that was the worst hit by the mold. They also removed all the cork paneling off of that wall, as well as all of this here, even under the closet. They're not going to remove that one because they could see both sides of it. This room was also, seemed like both bedrooms on the far side had the worst problem. So I imagine this is the lowest point where the room, you could almost feel the room does slope to this corner, so that's where the problem and the dampness, I guess, was worst. And this room had all paneling, so they removed that, scraped it down so that it can be finished. And so that's our current situation, is the demolition is finished. And so the next thing is to begin rebuilding it. Amazing. It's like completely rebuilding the basement. It is, really. Completely rebuilding half the house. Oh, amazing.